Five little dicky birds sitting on a tree. The first one said, the sky's so blue and free. The second one said, I love to sing all day. The third one said, let's fly and go to play. The fourth one said, I'll build a cozy nest. The fifth one said, right here I love the best. Then whoosh went the wind and away they all flew, back to the tree when the bright morning came through. Five little dicky birds perched upon a gate. The first one said, the morning is so great. The second one said, I hear the river flow. The third one said, look at the rainbow's glow. The fourth one said, I smell the flowers sweet. The fifth one said, this sunny day's a treat. Then clap went the hands and away they all soared, back to the gate where they chirped and explored. Five little dicky birds high up on a hill. The first one said, the air is fresh and still. The second one said, I see the meadow green. The third one said, it's the best place I've seen. The fourth one said, let's catch a butterfly. The fifth one said, or just watch clouds go by. Then boom went the thunder and away they all dashed, back to the hill when the rainstorm had passed. Five little dicky birds outside in the snow. The first one said, everything is white below. The second one said, my feathers keep me warm. The third one said, I'm not afraid of storm. The fourth one said, let's find some seeds to eat. The fifth one said, a winter snack's a treat. Then swoosh